Good morning, Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters of India. My, I am going to predict about the messenger of the cosmic law. My subject is medical sciences and astrology. The Rahu. Rahu is known as the messenger of the cosmic law. Rahu is not a planet. Ketu also not a planet. 9 planets are there. Out of that, 7 are luminance, 2 are not luminance. 7 days are in a week. 7 colors are there. 7 seas are there. So everything will be 7. Notes reveal the track that our soul is running on the current life. In the positive sense, Rahu is the remover of diseases and fear of snakes. He rewards apply those who worship. Serpent Devalayas are there. Nagaraja temple, Nagayeshi temple, and Rahu Bhagwan ka temple in Nageshwaram, Tirunageshwaram, and Nagargovil, and etc. etc. So Rahu, now Rahu is in the Gemini Rashi. Rahu rules Adira, Chodi, Sadavishek. The period of Rahu Dasha is 18 years. The Rahu will be favor to those who are born in the Adira Nakshatra, Sadavishek Nakshatra, and Chodi Nakshatra. Rahu, the effects of Rahu and Ketu is in different signs and not to be described in detail. They imbibe the characteristics of Saturn and Mars respectively. Rahu, Vat Shani, Kuja, Vat Ketu. Rahu and Ketu generally bestows the effects of the planets they are conjoined with. These are shadow planets because they do not have any physical bodies. They are called nodes and known for sudden and unexpected results. 2020 is ruled by Rahu. 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0, that is 4. According to numerology, 4 is Rahu. Now Rahu is in Midun Rashi. Now it is in the Mrigashirsha Nakshatra. The Lord of the sign occupied by Rahu and Ketu acts as Rahu and Ketu. Explaining these points, we can say that Sun is a Lord of the sign occupied by Rahu. The Sun will act as Rahu or Saturn. Suppose it aspects 11th house. The effects will be loss of income and disreputes. May the planet be most benefic like Jupiter. Similarly, Ketu can be analyzed. In case of nodes are not conjoined with any planets, then they will give the effects of the Lord of that house. They are occupying and also take up the qualities of that house. Rahu in Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Virgo, Sagittarius and Pisces is favorable. Ketu likewise in Taurus, Virgo latter half of Sagittarius and Pisces. Leo is treated generally house of Rahu and is exaltation Gemini 20 degrees, and this debilitated points in Sagittarius 20 degree. Ketu's house is Aquarius and exalted points is Sagittarius 20 degree and debilitated point in Gemini 20 degrees. In the 7th house, Rahu will have Maraga powers. The Rahu in the 7th house with the malefic planets, the married life will be dangerous. Life will be unhappy, and just like the hot vessel in the stove. In 7th house, Rahu will have Maraga and created trouble in the spouse. Rahu is significator of harsh speech, movement, traveling, foreigners, partner, grandfather, gambling, outcasts, reptiles, snake bite, theft, wickedness, widows and relations with her, skin diseases, injustice, eczema, acute or sharp pain in body, hiccups, swellings in parts of the body, terrors. It carries separative effects. This year, Rahu creates the virus diseases, fungus diseases, bacteria diseases, and mental tension to the public. All over the world, it has creating trouble to them. This year, the coming 26th of June 2020 will be a solar eclipse with, Mercury and Moon and Venus, Rahu, Sun, all come in the Midun Rashi, and it creates trouble to the public. The disasters will happen in the world, diseases happen in the world, and natural calamities will happen in the world, especially earthquakes and volcanoes. Earthquakes, many times earthquakes will happen, more than 10 in North India, and makes the people fear. Ketu is a significator for maternal and grandfather, consumption, pain, fever, wound, witchcraft, causing troubles to enemies, horned animals, philosophy and salvation. It is fiery in nature. When Rahu is conjoined with Saturn or Ketu with Saturn, then in the former case, effects of Saturn will be doubled, and in latter case of Mars Saturn, care be taken regarding their aspects. Rahu creates the cancer disease. Rahu with the Mars, the person will get cancer. And Rahu is poisoning. We worship Rahu in the name of Nagaraja and Nagachi. That will be blessings of the Rahu. We will get happiness in the family. We are worshipping the Sarpa or Rahu is the harmony in the family and harmony of children. Rahu and Ketu both being always retrogrades in motion. When conjoined with other retrogrades planets in the Dasha and Bhukti, the events related to matters are returned, restored, and regained or compensated. Two negative points together positive results. Caution, in the the Rahu, the last period of Rahu Dasha is Mars Bhukti, will be trouble to men and women. So if you worship Lord Rahu and getting the blessings, you are free from snake biting and poison, etc. Thank you very much. I will come tomorrow with the other subject. Please subscribe my channel Medical Science and Astrology.